28th September 2024, guys. And this is what happened with your Borneo project when the government officers are not coming down to site very often to see if there are problems on site. Here is a domestic power or water supply being run over by a tractor, and now it's leaking. And the workers, the subcontractor, the subcontractor, all you need is a bloody clamp to stop that water, boss. You cannot even find a clamp and just clamp that plastic pipe. That's how I repair it. You need a clamp. That's all. You tie a rubber to it and clamp it instead of letting the water spout all night and wasting all the water and causing us low pressure in the vicinity. All you need is a fucking clamp, and you cannot even do it. And this is what happened. You have all these utilities which the government didn't provide allocation for these utilities to be relocated first. Telephone, SESB, telecom. Look at it concreting around this whatever it is, substructure. That's a telecom cable there. Is that how you're gonna concrete around it to make a road? And the drain there is now on the ground, right? The drain. And I wonder how you're gonna remove after the concrete is after the concrete has hardened. How do you remove that formwork there? There's a formwork below the ground. You just let the wood rot underneath. Who's going to remove that? How do you remove that? After you concrete those place, how do you remove that false work for the concrete on the top? I thought you use a permanent concrete beam before you concrete on the top. Amazing. This is evidence, you know, this is evidence. How do you people remove that after the concrete has hardened? It's becoming a blockage in the underground drain tunnel. And this drain tunnel will not work in future, and it's going to cause us flooding. And all because when you do a project, the government allocation is never concurrent. Where's your allocation? You should have relocated all these pole first before you do the road. It's a typical mess of a Malaysian government project. Fucking Borneo. This is Borneo, asshole. See? And you cannot relocate the pipe. It's your job to relocate all the service pipe. Because you keep acquiring new area. They was already acquired the land to expand the highway here. Now you take some more land. Now you take, and you keep relocating. This domestic pipe have been relocated 2-3 times already. We are fed up being every time you do a botched job of reconnecting the pipe. And as you can see, the one leaking there. And by the way, that SESB power strut is sticking inside, there is sticking inside the underground drain. So is this underground drain going to work in future? I've already asked the question to the JKL contact, and I haven't got an answer yet. Do I have to put that in a newspaper also? No answer. Government department and their contractors are, they do whatever they like. No planning, no coordination. I just wonder how you people do the project in Sabah. Just to fill a pocket for the main contractor who never turned up. Where's your main contractor? Does he even do? The main contractor only take the contract and sell the project to sub. He never turned up to site. Oh, the contractor for this project belongs to the politician. Just like Africa. Now government, answer this question. Look at the mess in this project here. Look at the mess on the people's life.